The objective of this video is for you guys to understand what internal noise is. According to Hybels and Weaver, it occurs in the mind of the sender receivers when their thoughts or feelings are focused on something other than the communication at hand. Different types of examples of internal noise include physical distractions posed by recurring illness, jet lag, or even the onset of a midlife crisis. Phobias such as fear of public speaking or fear of enclosed spaces also can function as sources of internal noise. A person's unchecked internal noise may cause him to prejudge others and to fail to adequately consider their input as well. Internal noise can be positive or negative and is often referred to as the voice inside someone's head. Negative internal noise may consist of thoughts or doubts when a person is trying to defend himself verbally or argue a point. Positive internal noise can still cause a distraction, but it may still prove to be encouraging and supportive when a person is speaking. In my experience, dealing with people and internal noise is you want to make them feel like they're the most important person in your life at that moment. Strive to understand, the problems that they have or the concerns or whatever message they're trying to send to you. And if you're going to be there, be there. Don't be somewhere else. Don't be on your phone, thinking about what your plans are for the weekend. Make them your priority. From my own experience, describe a time when it posed a problem for me. I constantly have it. I'm always thinking to myself, thinking of what I'm going to do next. Listening to colleagues, a lot of times when they're talking, I'll find myself thinking about other stuff that relates to me and not really making them a priority. Same with customers. Sometimes they start talking about themselves and my mind will wander. Same with family. One big thing for me that I've really tried to make a point to stop doing is when I pick my daughter up or take her to school, I'll have sports talk radio on in the background and she'll be telling me a story, and next thing I know, I'm not even listening to her. I'm listening to the latest news on the Royals or Chiefs or Jayhawks or something like that, and I find myself at the end of the conversation not having any idea what she was talking about, and she's actually pointed me out on it a couple times. So I've made it a point now when we're in the car that I'll turn the music off, or if she wants to pick the phone up and get on the iPod and play music, she's more than welcome to. And that goes for friends as well. So I think just my biggest thing is if you're going to be there, be there. And listen. I hope after watching this video, you as an audience are better after listening. Thank you.